Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best way to chart Nifty. You could try this on any other instruments as well. By the way, I'm Deepinder from Tradestream channel where I help you with the technical analysis to trade on your own. If you ever watched the videos on YouTube, related to trading, most of the channels just sell the paid courses. I'm going to explain you the way to perform charting 100% free of cost, and you can start practicing on your own from today and start to see the results. Apart from that, if you are finding a value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a huge difference. Please make sure you stay till the end of the video so that you don't miss out on any of the important steps for charting. Let's just start off. So first I'm going to erase all this, so that I could explain you guys. So let's start with the monthly. Let's start by drawing the levels. Just pop down. So here, let's just mark the levels. So I'll start from the monthly so that you don't miss out on any of the important levels. So let's just do this one and jump to the weekly. Like just try to, like in case you're not sure, just try to draw these are the trends and all that. So this is the level for weekly. With this approach, you can find the levels easily. And for this one, that's the weekly high. Let's move to the monthly. Daily now, and this was the zone right. It's playing out. Look, this is for daily, and daily support, we could say it's around here. Yeah, exactly. So what's the other possibility of going up to the price might go around here? Yeah, and let's move to the 4-hour. Basically I use 4-hour for the forex pairs and all that, because those are traded on higher time frames. But we'll try, like, if we can find any kind of level in the 4-hour. I don't think we have any, so let's jump to the 1-hour. Now what we'll do is we'll use this ray, okay, to mark the most recent levels. This could be on the play. Yeah, I guess so. This is a crucial level. Or if we could look this one. Yeah, that's it one. So let's move to the 15-minute. Like these levels, it's going to come by practice. Just try to see the price, like where you could find the maximum amount of touches, and you also need to find the the high and the lows. Just try to use this too, like if you are not sure, like these ones. So you, like, basically what you do is you mark this level, this and this. Okay, I hope that helps. Let's just remove that. And as we are unable to find any kind of level with this one, so what I'll do is, there is one around here. So this is the 15-minute that we are using. And let's move to the 5-minute. For the 5-minute, use it for 15. Let's make it for, this is the level, I believe. Yeah. There is one around here. So this could be regarded as the zone. Zone on the 5-minute. So yeah, this is the zone. And so So the support that they have here is the 5 minute is around here. Small bit of this one. Just try to use the same rectangle. So this way you don't miss out on any of the entries. Just treat them as zones on the lower time frames, okay? Because if you do it on the daily or the weekly, you're gonna mess up with the charting and all that. Because it's going to be, the zone is gonna be more bigger, and it would be hard for you, to figure it out. So where to take the entry and where to place the stop loss or something like that, and the target too. So as we have drawn all the levels, trading view can be sometimes annoying. They if you add, like if you don't have the membership. So I just try to use the free account. So this is monthly, right? Let's start from the monthly and let's make this black, so that way we don't have a bunch of colors. This was the trend here. I'm just trying to mark the trend so that you could draw the bigger picture. This one is playing out right. This. Let's jump to the weekly. This is playing alright. Yeah, that's the exact one. So this is the weekly. Let's move to the daily. And for this one, we could use this thing. This is the normal trend line. We are not using the Y. So now we could see the price is forming a kind of a triangle. So let's see, this is the one that I'm talking about. For this one you could do currently double and below. Let's make it a little bit like this, so that, yeah, this is better. And let's move to the 1 hour. Let's eliminate the 4 hour. Here we are not going to use it. We will use it in the forex. So for 1 hour, this is a sharp trend. Here it would be difficult for me to draw the trend line. What I'll do is I'll use the pitchfork. In case we are not unable to draw the trend line, just use the pitchfork in that case. Okay. Either we could draw it from here. Just a second. Let's use the most recent levels. We'll use this one. Yeah, that's it. This applies this. There are 4 settings, so we could use any of those. What we'll do is we'll go with the original one because it's playing out around this. Okay, if the trend is sharp, let's use the original one. And let's move to the 15 minute. 15 minute you kind of, you don't see. What we'll do is, yeah, we'll try to draw a trend if we could. Let me see. Like these are really important, this gives you a clear indication of the direction, where the price is heading. So I want everybody to play around with it, as much as possible, so that you could get the clear direction. Let's say we move to the 5 hour. Look, the charting needs to be clean, first of all. Like you don't like you need to understand, where the level is, where the price is. Don't draw too many levels, or don't miss out on any levels either. And this is really crucial. Like this is a sharp downtrend that was in place. So this area is getting rejected. So normally what I do is, let's say the price is around here. I'll show you here. Let's say the price comes around here, retraces back, and then comes here. Okay, what I do is I place the order here, even though the price is around this point. Let's draw this one too. Even though the price is around this point, I place my order here, limit order, because I want to be sure price is moving the direction where I want it to be. So this is really crucial. Let's just use this one, and I'll place the entry here, and I'll place the stop loss above this zone, and the target is going to be around here. Just remove everything, just a second. So the price is here, place the order here, stop loss here above that zone, and target is here. So it's basically around 1 2, more than 1 to 2, 1 to 3 probably. And the inverse is true for the long side too. Okay, and one other thing that you can do is, so you are not biased on the traction, you could invert the charts, just see if you could see the picture. You can use Alt I, okay, just to invert the charts. So this way you are not biased at all. So let's do the recap for what we did. So we marked the monthly levels, and these are the trends that are following. Let's move to the weekly. It's following this trend. Weekly levels are marked too. As we go to the daily is forming a triangle kind of a thing. Yeah, and let's move to the 1 hour. So 1 hour, as it was difficult to draw the trend line, I used the pitchfork, okay, in that case. So for the 50-minute, I was able to draw the trend line. And for the 5-minute, we'll just place the zones around here, okay, and the levels. The price might come around, retrace around here. And let's move to the next step, indicators. I'll show you like what I use. I use the Bollinger Bands here. What I'll do is, I'll remove the drawings, so that way I can clearly show you how it plays out. Just hide the drawings here. I use the Bollinger Bands. I'll show you the settings. So I don't use the upper and the lower band, otherwise there will be too many lines. So this is the 20-day moving average. I just want to use the Bollinger Bands for volatility. Let's say it's breaking the band, the volatility starts to increase, and the price is following the one direction. So this is really important in terms of volatility. And I use the 20-day moving average, like it comes default as it is. And the other thing that I use is moving average ribbon. I use the moving average 5, 9, 50 and 200. So these are the important ones. I use the rest of the settings are default, the colors are default, and I'll just try to make it visible. As you could see, just inverted. Price is above the 9. I'll show you from monthly. Here the price was trending as it was above the 5 and 9. Starts to take support at 20. This is the monthly. Go to the weekly. The price is trending, just because it's above those moving averages. 1D. Here it starts to drop below 5 and 9, starts to play around, take support again at 20. And 1 hour. 1 hour it's well above. It might take support around 5 or 9 or even come to 20. So there is a possibility of that. I think this level or this level, I believe this 400 level is crucial. It might retrace to that level. I'm not sure it will, but it could. We just trade on the possible probabilities, or the possibility, you could say. So 15 minutes it's trending up. use this one, and for the 5 minute you could see the price tends to drop below 5, below 9, 5 and 9. Here it could, export here and move up the way up. No, everything will come up. That's why I wasn't trying to do that. Just a second, let's do this. So this is the whole play, And one other thing, let's say it's good that we have this thing. And apart from that, yeah, what I was about to show you is, let's say the price is around here, and okay, the price is doing this, and now we're gonna see this moving average 20 is coming down this, and this is the dynamic resistance that's going to be faced, and when the price is traced back, just place the order around here, okay, or either it could take the support from here and it could bounce all the way up, so price could go in any direction. Just like these are the possibilities that could happen. I believe the price is going to retrace down because it's in a strong uptrend. So the other thing that I use is the MACD. Just give me a second, I'll just erase all of those, and one most important thing, just try to be make the charting very clear, so that you understand what you are doing. And this is the MACD that I use. As you could see, these are the probabilities. This MACD is a kind of an indication, like it gives you indication, like this could happen, like if you what you think, and the indicators are predicting the same thing, just go with it. If you are seeing a different story and indicators are saying something else, just don't trade at all. Like here you could see, price was in a negative momentum, and the convergence was coming on the 5 minute. You could see on the 15 minute too, there was losing momentum as the price was approaching the higher zones. So what's the next target is around like 18,500 is a psychological level, you mark these kind of levels. Yeah, they play around the whole numbers. Just try to be aware of those. These could be the levels where the price tends to stop, either in the support zone or in the resistance zone. Yeah, so these matter a lot. Once again, thanks a lot for watching my video. Please stay tuned for more updates, and please like, share and subscribe my channel if you want to stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.